Today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at this tripod boom microphone stand from Amazon Basics. This is Mare Product Reviews. I brought my microphone stand to work in conjunction with my Blue Yeti microphone. So that small piece that screws onto the end just goes directly into my mic, which is great. You also have a bunch of options here. So at checkout, you can buy just the microphone stand, or you have options to get it with different style clips. So you can get a clothespin style clip, you can get an elliptical style clip, or a barrel style clip. I just bought without because my microphone will go directly onto this. Using this in conjunction with my Blue Yeti microphone, I can now stand it up so I can be upright, singing vocals, or pivoting to the side to record instrumentals, which is what we got the stand for. I got mine on Amazon, and as usual, you can find the product link for this microphone stand in my write-up below. I hope that you found this product review to be helpful. Check out my channel for more reviews just like this one.